Welcome back, and on today's video I'll be showing you how I lost $200 trading NQ as an unprofitable trader. Let's get into it. First thing that I noticed is that we have a liquidity sweep right here. There we go. We have a liquidity sweep right here, and we actually have an SMT also with NASDAQ leading. And I'm like, alright. Then I see this 5-minute gap form right here. I'm like, okay, pretty much what I want to see, right? Because at this time I only see this. Pretty much what I want to see is I want to see we tap back into this gap and also get our equilibrium at the same time and go back up and pretty much just enter and target all these highs up here. So that's what I'm looking for right now. And as you see, we come down, tap into equilibrium, tap into the fair value gap, inverse the fair value gap, and we hit 79%. So I'm like, alright, that's fine, it's whatever. You know, if we break this low, then I'll just enter some shorts and pretty much just, well, short. So, and then I noticed that we actually respect the 79% a little bit, and we have this bearish gap right here that we are trying to inverse. And we also have another bearish gap here. And we go down a little bit, still don't inverse it. Tap into the other gap, still don't inverse any gap. Inverse that gap. Then I actually enter right here on this one. This pains me. Like I'm actually just so stupid for today. So stupid. And no, I'm not even stupid. It's just the point that my psychology kind of fried me. Like, genuinely fried me. I actually get stopped out here. I get stopped out here because I had too tight of a stop loss, and I'm like, I was risking $400 to pass my account, and you know, I was at 52,100 or something like that. And I'm like, all right, I'm just gonna. I want to. Basically, how I'm thinking is, I'm trying to de-risk as much as possible while passing my account, so I don't go back. But I can't do that. So if I would have had my stop loss down to here, and I would have kept it there, keyword kept it there, because that's why I got stopped out, because I just closed my trade for some reason. And I lost $200. And as you see, partials right here, partials would have got hit here, partials would have got hit there. And right now, this is where we're at. I would have had partials here. I probably would have moved my break-even point here, or maybe somewhere up here. Would have got tagged out. Probably would have made $400 today, and I probably would have been at 52,500. But I mean, psychology is the name of the game on this. Like, you know, like, especially when you're getting closer to fucking passing an account. I'm getting more emotional now. I'm thinking, this could be it. I can't think like that, or else I'm gonna do stupid stuff like that and lose money over something I should have obviously made money on. And I mean, it was a good trade too. The market was a little choppy today, I'm not gonna lie, but that's why there's an SMT saying that NASDAQ's more bullish. That's all that is. NASDAQ's just more bullish today, more volume, and that's just, today's just on me. I had the right trade, right everything, just moved my stop loss for some reason, and I lost money. I mean, like, it's just on me. I'm fine with it being on me because I know it's just on me, and that's something I can fix. And it's just my psychology. I can't think about passing my account. I got to think about just winning the trade. Winning the trade, not making money. Because that's just what I struggled with today. I'm like, all right, I got to make this amount of money today, or try to. And that's what fried me. I started seeing minus $100, minus 150. I'm like, all right, I'm moving my stop loss. Move my stop loss. Could have passed my account, but again, just on me. But yeah, the key, the game is to make the trade, predict the market, not make so much money. Sounds weird because the whole entire point of trading is to make money, but the whole point of trading is to predict the market in order to make money. If you're thinking about making money, you're not going to predict the market right. Well, I mean, I guess I did, but money aspect. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully this week I pass my account. That'd be fire. I just gotta think, not money. Just predict the trade. But yeah. Peace.